Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls, and look at my cool new sign. Hello. You know why I got a new sign? Because I got some happy mail from Miss Fran Phillips, Frances J. Phillips. She lives in the Pacific Northwest. And look at the very cool... yes. She tricked out. Uh-oh. She just reminded me, don't forget about the Bug Book and the Epic of Man. I did forget about those. Okay. Okay. There's all kinds of... This box is a note unto itself. So, she gave me a sign. Sign everywhere, sign. And all of her, this is what the sign came in. Okay, so here's another bag. It's all painty. It's got gold on it. Look at that shine. And guess what this is? Oh my gosh, these are seeds. Marjoram. Sugar pumpkins. Cosmos. Start in small pots. This is buttercup squash. Hey, I hope I still got time to plant some of this stuff. Sunshine sunflower. To replant or become bird food. Tiny, tasty, beautiful loves fertilizer. Nasturtiums loves poor soil. I got a place for that. Plant 2020. Awesome. Nobody's ever sent me seeds before. Thank you, Fran. Okay, I gotta tell you, I've already looked through here. So, if you have too much paint, blot it off onto tissue paper. Good idea. I forget. Maybe these are just painty things she wiped off on, but look how artistic that is. It's like a Jackson Pollock painting. Oh. My new boyfriend. Butamus. Oh, this is way cool. Butterflies and bugs. Did I have that wrong? I had it wrong. It still looks good on the back. Wow. Some tags. I love the texture. Look at that. I think she painted that. That's the leftover from the stencils. She references a lot of, oh, this is her in the 70s. You painted your truck? I painted my truck. Helped my dad put the engine in it. Okay, I'm jealous. Some way cool stamps from Israel. Yeah, right there it says. Oh, I treasure those. She marbled a bunch of papers. Oh, she sent me a jelly plate. This is texture for it. Very cool. You know I love metallics. You know I do. This box was so much fun to go through. Look at this. I got me a rocket ship. And a pterodactyl. And a blue whale. Those are cool. Where'd that come from? Oh my God. This is Fran and Matthew Phillips Montague. Her dad took this. That's her son Matthew. Fran, I hope you don't mind me showing those. Look at my toilet paper book. You might have a toilet paper book, but it is not as cool as my toilet paper book that Fran made me. Yeah, the lady on my channel. Don't look at that. Like, I can't even finish a sentence. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll let y'all read that. But look at. Oh, this is fabulous. That's going in my purse. Okay. Okay. Most artists frown on makeup brushes, but they do work so well and clean up great. Look at she painted these. I could stand back and dab paint. I've been watching British art challenges. Wet and Wild. These are great. Concealer brushes. Always need brushes. Okay. This is the little jelly plate she made me with tools and stencils. Washing cool water. Here is a, oh, this feels great. And she said she cured it by her fireplace. So one of these days we are going to play with this. This mica powder. Homemade brayers. Thanks to Arty Farty Fairy, made by Fran. Look at my tiny brayers. For my jelly plate. How fun. I know what those are. Those are earplugs. You rock, Fran. This goes in here. People were going crazy at work when I was pulling all this stuff out. Distilled water. Oh, she made this eyeball. It's not like I like eyeballs or anything. That's a thick tag. That's cool. Painty popsicle sticks to go with these popsicle sticks I already had. Yes, I must build something. I must build something. Okay. Embrace the pun. Okay. And, oh my God, it's signed. Pyrex of the Caribbean. Forget what was in here, but look at the painty yumminess on that bag. I might even have stuff at work when I didn't pack up right. That's marbled. A coincidence. Oh. She's so sweet. And she wrote me like a 10-page letter. It started back in September of 2017 and ran all the way through. I need this one for my eye. I need this one for my eyeballs. Okay. Cool. So there's little notes on everything. Can you show your jewelry tree and explain how you made it? Okay, I'll show it another time, but I didn't make it. I bought it at the thrift store, and it has birds on it right now. These are so cool. What is this stuff? I gotta get that butterfly book stuff out. Don't forget about the bug book. Dang it, Fran. I won't. I won't forget. Nope, there's something in the bottom. It's a piece of... Is that from you, or did I pick that up in my parking lot? I might have picked that up in the parking lot. Okay. And a bunch of painty papers. Oh gosh, I love that glitter. That gold. I saw something else with my name on it. Oh! This has my grandkids' names. Sabrina and Sadie. Please subscribe. I need friends. There's all kinds of notes, and Fran, I love it. I feel like I know you so well now. You're one of my bestest friends. And she said I could come, when she wins the lottery, she's going to fly me out there to visit her, and I can go visit Brat too. I'm excited. Oh, so this was all from Fran, right? My best friend, Fran. Who does not want me to forget about the bug book. Now I just have to find it. I still have my bugs, so it's all good. And today I got one package from Kitty. And of course Kitty loves me because look. This square bag, you could put your knitting in it. It has Star Wars on the inside, blueprint fabric, and Star Wars on the outside. This silk ribbon embroidery. Thank you, because I gave mine away a long time ago. I had sort of like this. Hey, dang, there's templates. Cool. And are these not awesome? They are. So thank you, Kitty. I was like, are you kidding me? What's on my porch? Oh my gosh, Kitty sent me something. Okay, Fran, this is going to stay. Do not forget about the bug book. And, okay, this is two-edged sword here. Please subscribe. I need friends. And this is way cool how you did that. Is that another canvas? But it's too smooth to be a canvas, but I don't know. Thank you. I'll see y'all later. You guys are the best. Bye.